In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred on Talkie app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you have this error, an unknown error occurred, then there are quite a number of issues that might be affecting your app. One, your app might have just experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed, or there is a problem with the app or your smartphone. For both cases, we shall see how to troubleshoot. Now, in the first place, you want to ensure that you are not connected to a VPN, as sometimes this might be causing the issue, and also ensure that you have a stable network. If this is not the case, then we need to troubleshoot the app, and you can troubleshoot the app by going to settings. So if you go to settings, look for apps, and from apps go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Here, search for your app by name, and then you want to go to force stop, and okay, then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally clear all data. And once you are done, restart your smartphone. Now if you go to your Talkie app, everything now should be working without any issue. However, should this not work, then you want also to check and ensure that you are using the latest version of Talkie app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. Let me know which of these was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.